back on the road again.
Good morning, everybody. We are just leaving Te Anau now, and we are on our way to the Catlins. It's going to take us about 3 hours to get to our first stop, which is Cathedral Caves. We're coming through Gore. What do you think of Gore?
Gore. Small little town.
Every single little town that we've gone through, that we've been through about like 5 now, they're all the tiniest little towns. Like, I don't know how people live there. They're just absolutely in the middle of nowhere. Gore seems a little bit more civilized.
Car dealerships here. That's how you know it's a relatively successful town. Brown trout capital of the world.
The brown trout capital of the world.
Yeah.
Gore.
It's supposed to be awesome.
But it's been 1 minute and we are already through the town. So see you later, Gore.
Hey, pay attention to the road.
Stop it! What are you doing? I hate you. Stop!
I'm doing it.
What are you doing?
Yes, precious, yes. How do you like it? You did this to me.
I wasn't that close.
Yes, you were.
I wasn't.
You were right in my face.
These words are my own. Stop my heart flow. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. There's no other way to better say.
I want to die.
Love you, love you.
This is our first stop in the Catlins, McLean Falls. We weren't actually planning on stopping here. We just saw a sign and thought it looked alright.
Same old shot, citywide stuff, because you've taken everything I ever loved. Will it hurt the same if I fight the pain with drugs?
Next up, Cathedral Caves.
Can I come back, get back on track before?
Oh yeah.
Tell it how it is, no matter what, no matter what. Tell it how it is, no matter what, no matter what.
Let's keep going.
4 a.m. I'll smoke again because
The tide's coming in now. We should probably go. It's getting a little bit rainy. Where's next, Chief?
When the
Waterfalls.
sun comes up, will it bring me off the floor? Or will I lie
First of the waterfalls is Matai Falls, 30-minute return. You like them?
I like them.
He likes them.
no matter what, no matter what. Tell it
Purakaunui Falls walk, 10 minutes.
no matter what. Will you take my breath or leave me dead? Will you bring me back to the world?
Last stop.
Nugget Point.
Let's go.
Take my breath or leave me dead. Will you take me back to the world?
We see the nuggets.
Look at them nugs.
Look at them nugs.
Tell me how it is.
Even in the rain, that was actually really quite spectacular. Just looking at those nuggets, it was quite trippy looking out to sea.
The lighthouse isn't super thrilling.
Yeah,
but,
the lighthouse is slightly
but the nuggets
underwhelming.
themselves, those are pretty cool.
Yeah, we do wish it wasn't raining though, because we wanted to fly the drone today.
I see a cave. I want to explore it.
Fifi, take us home. We've decided to stay in Alexandria because it's about halfway between the Catlins and Mount Cook. Originally we were going to be staying in the Catlins, but then we would be doing a 4.5 hour journey tomorrow. It's actually a really big town. We've passed like a lot of big stores along the way, which is nice because we do need to do a little bit of shopping. But I mean, the holiday park that we've just turned up at looks a little bit ghetto from the outside. Not the most modern of places, but that's okay. What have we got here? Oh, we actually have our own little proper kitchen.
We can definitely do some garlic bread.
Woohoo! Ah, alright, well.
Dibs.
That's fine. Look at that TV. That's a fat one.
It's not bad though. It's nice. It's clean.
Yeah.